Ever wondered what the world looks like from just inches above the ground? Meet our tiny adventurer, fitted with a lightweight camera smaller than a paperclip. Tonight, we enter a world rarely seen. Under dim lights, the countertop transforms into a towering landscape of plates and pots. Then, a scent, an abandoned slice of pizza. The crust rises like a mountain. She climbs. Mandibles dig in. Crumbs fall like boulders. Suddenly, a giant step shakes the world. A shadow passes overhead. Instinct takes over. She bolts, dropping from the counter and racing into darkness. Beneath the cabinets, others gather. A hidden community, feeding quietly among dust and scraps. Then, light. A spray bursts through the darkness. Chaos erupts. She darts sideways, escaping through a narrow crack just before the mist fills the space. A broken pipe becomes refuge. A rat passes through an adjacent tunnel. A sudden rush of water sweeps her forward. Tumbling through pipes, she lands near a bathroom drain. Nearby, another roach struggles on a sticky trap, a silent warning. Leaving the cold tiles behind, she enters softer terrain. A towering bed leg rises like a wooden pillar. Suddenly, movement. A towering figure looms above. Shock, disgust, a sharp shout echoes through the room. Through a crack and out into the night. Rain-slick streets shimmer under city lights. Cars rush past, vibrations rippling through the pavement below. The world feels vast and dangerous. Drawn to warmth and sound, she slips into a bustling bar. Music pounds, shoes slam inches away. Then, a clear cup drops over her, lifted, carried, released back onto the wet pavement. Ahead, the sewer grate hums with familiar movement, others of her kind gathering below. She descends into the underground once more. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe, because this is just one point of view.